What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. Today I felt like having semi-homemade chili beans and cornbread. As you can see, I sauteed some onions, bombs. I'm using the McCormick Slow Cookers chili mix. Amazing mix. Not very much ingredients, as you can see. I'm also having cornbread, and I'm using the Fisherman, whatever you want to call it, cornbread mix. Not a lot of ingredients as well. So with the chili beans, you just need diced tomatoes, kidney beans, pinto beans. I'm using 15-ounce tomato sauce. So that's what I'm using, plus the onion, the ground beef. I'm using Chuck ground beef because I'm fancy like that. And you just mix everything together and you put it on high. Well, you could put it on low for 8 hours, but I'm putting it on high for 4 hours. Okay. What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm having homemade chili and some cornbread. It looks a little messy, but you know what? It can't all be perfect, right? So welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the first mukbang of 2021. I hope you guys are doing great. Y'all, I'm telling you, this smells bombs. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys can see this. Let me show you guys. Hold on. It smells amazing. Yeah, so this is, like you saw in the beginning, this is a very simple, get that cheese pull. A very simple recipe. Oh my gosh, so good. Nothing to it but to do it, you feel me? And it was just really cold today, so I was like, I was in the mood for something warm and simple, something that you could put in the crock pot. Damn, that's hot. Ooh. Get all that cheese. So how are you guys doing? How's your guys' 2021 going so far? I haven't made a video in a minute, and I'll get into that as to why. Like instantly, you get that. You know when you have something really warm and just comforting, like very homey, gets you all goose pimp. Got me some honey for the cornbread. Yeah, I missed you guys. Damn, that's good. That is bombs. So good. And the drink, I just got me some Coke Zero. Yeah, so I just haven't made a video because I just been busy work. And y'all, it just, to keep it 100, I just haven't been feeling it, you know. Yeah, I just haven't been feeling it. You know, when you're not into something. I just hit a creativity wall. I just wasn't feeling putting out videos. And that happens, you know. And I just haven't been feeling myself, you know. I think it's just, we're going on a year now, almost a year on the pandemic, and it just, you know, honestly guys, it hits me hard, you know, and just like everybody else, my world has, you know, turned upside down, you know, my everyday life. So it's very difficult, but I don't want to get all into that because I just want us to have good vibes. Uh, nothing but good vibes on the channel. So that's what's going on. Nothing, nothing horrible. I just haven't been, up to it. But today I was feeling it. I was feeling good. So I was like, you know what? Let me get on camera with my people and just see how everybody's doing. I'm already getting full. I'm getting a little full here. Take me a little break here. But yeah, so how you guys been? How's everybody doing? Let me know in the comments. Have you guys, how's your 2021 going so far? I know there's a couple of things, ideas I do have. So I know the Super Bowl is coming up. So I don't know if I want to do like a Super Bowl type video. Let me know if you guys like to see that. I'm sorry, I'm just making a bunch of damn noise. So let me know if you guys want to see like a Super Bowl type part. I don't know why my camera keeps shaking. I know Valentine's is coming up on the 14th. So I'm thinking of doing a video for that day. Something romantical. I don't know. Your boy don't got no damn Valentine's, so I don't know. It'd be cool to do. And let me know in the comments if any of you guys have like Valentine's, any plans. I know it's not like not much you can do this year, but just let me know. I think you could still, with your significant other, you could still make it something special. Make a nice meal or go pick up, some good food and, do something special, Okay. This is everything and more. You know what would have been really bombing this? And damn, I don't have any. I usually get the packets from Wendy's, and I put it in my chili beans. That would have made it, set it off right there, like for real. Hold on. I know it's not poquito. It's not hot at all. It's just right amount of spice, because I add like cayenne and things like that to it to kind of give it its own flavor. But in general, if you just leave it as is, it's not spicy at all. So you have to give it that spice. I don't know if I could finish it all. What y'all think? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, in my head, I had it a little bit more in my head. I had it a little bit more set up nicely, you know, but it's kind of like that expectation versus reality. You know, it didn't come out as nice as I wanted to, but I got the spirit, everything. Amazeballs. Freaking amazeballs, man. Whoo-wee. I don't know. I don't know if I can finish it, y'all. I don't have that much left, but still. Do I want to push it? Trying to get as much as the cornbread into the chili beans. So let me know in the comments, who are you guys rooting for the Super Bowl? Who you think is going to win? I'm not going to say yet. Because honestly, if I'm going to be honest, I wasn't really... More this year, I wasn't really invested. They're not my teams, honestly. So it's like, you know, it's whatever. But it's tradition. I know, regardless of a pandemic. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. I got the burps now. Regardless of, you know, the pandemic, it's still a tradition that has to go on. So it's good that it feels good to see it still take place. You know what I mean? Even though you know it's not going to be packed at all. And let me know in the comments, are they going to let people in the stadium? Is there a certain amount of, like a certain capacity that they're going to stop it at? Let me know in the comments, because I really haven't paid attention to that. And I do know that that The Weeknd is doing the halftime show. So I know that much. So that should be interesting to see. Yeah, but like I said, I wasn't really invested this year. It didn't feel the same. I think I can do it. I'm going to try to do it, y'all. Like one more bite, 1 or 2 more bites, and I'll be done with it. Yeah, I need to hurry up because it's getting dark right now. I'm shooting this like right as the sun's going down. Oh my god. I would have been so pissed if it got on the shirt. booms. Well, I'm cozy now. I'm feeling hella cozy now. I'm ready to call it a night, but I'm not, because I gotta edit this damn video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I missed you guys. You know, my first mukbang of 2021. Holla at your boy. More to come. Be patient with me. Like I said, I have 2 more that I'm thinking of doing. Probably more. There's a couple of things out there that I want to test try. But yeah, also let me know in the comments if you have any ideas for upcoming videos. It'd be much appreciated. Kind of gives me an idea of what I can do. And y'all, remember to follow me on my social media. You can follow me on Instagram at I'm Eddie Anthony. You can also follow me on TikTok. Just hit 1.1K. Holla at your boy. Awesome. So let's, and also you guys, if we can get to 600 subscribers, which we're very much there, just over 20 subscribers away. So share this video, share, you know, any videos of mine, share the channel, let everybody, your friends, family members, let them know. Because if we can get to 600 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. All right, so let's do it. We can do it. All right, I believe in you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you guys stay safe, stay healthy, wear your mask. All right, till next video, much love and peace.